Hey there, Joan Kosmachuk, your seasonal color, style, and confidence coach. And I am on today to talk about the power of color, but also specifically how each color has a different role when you wear it. So you might have seen a lot of videos about getting your colors done, and it really is kind of the hot topic right now, even though this has been a practice that for those of us, particularly who are students of the Suzanne Cahill method of seasonal color analysis, this has been around since she founded it in the 1970s. And so this isn't new, although the TikTok and marketing on IG would make you think maybe this is a new trend. For those of us who have been around for a while, we have been doing this work for a long time. And so we're excited about the fact that it's kind of has a resurgence right now. A lot of people are interested in the topic. But there are different types of color analysis, and certainly you can get a very quick, color analysis where people just give you sort of, oh, you're a spring, you're a summer, you're a light summer, you're a dark winter, whatever, and they give you a little card that has the colors, and you get the same colors as your friend or your family member who is been typed as a similar season. That's a little bit different than what a true color analysis involves, which is much more personal, and each individual color is selected for you based on your personal color harmony. But let's say you've had a wonderful color palette done, but you have never really understood how it is you are supposed to use and wear your colors. Well, let's start with the colors that I'm wearing right now. I'm showing up in what colors are neutral for me. You can see that this particular color is a neutral. It's kind of a grayish, maybe you would want to call it, but a little bit clearer than and less gray. And it relates very beautifully to my hair color. So for me, it is one of my neutrals. This green, which is kind of looks almost taupe, but it's not, it's actually a green. This is a neutral that gets pulled from my eye color. But despite the fact that it's a color, on me, I wear it as a neutral because it is neutralized when I put it on. On somebody else, this might be a quiet color or an active color, but on me, it's very much a neutral color. So here I am showing up in my neutral colors. Now, neutrals are great for basics because they allow us to pair other colors with them, but they are also really good for example, professional life, because neutrals are what we wear to kind of come in and be very professional. And of course, knowing your best neutrals will be the ones that will be the best for you. If I was to add some color in right now, let's imagine I'm going to add my skin tone. Now, as soon as I put this color on, it goes with the neutrals. All of my colors are going to go with my neutrals because my whole palette harmonizes since it harmonizes with me. But you can see that something changes when I'm wearing this color versus just the straight neutral. Now I am a little bit softer, a little bit more vulnerable, a little bit more approachable. Now, I don't usually wear a lot of layers around my neck because I'm a spring and it just gets too heavy for me. But you can just see from the color of the scarf how that changes my look, my impression. And therefore, if I was to wear this color instead of my neutral, or even paired with my neutral, I am changing the effect of the outfit. I'm changing the impact of the outfit. So this is my skin tone, and I just want you to observe the difference when I put this on. And then when I take it off and I go back to my neutral, you can see how that approachability, that softness just kind of changes up a little bit. Now we're going to do another color. This would be, for me, an alternate active color. This is a color that is actively colorful on me. It doesn't work as a neutral. And you can see that again, this is a color that is now raising my vibration. All of a sudden I have a little bit more energy because I've put this color on than when I was just wearing my plain neutral. So this is a color that is going to make me be a little bit more seen. It's also a color that is giving me a little bit more energy. And think about, when would I wear this color? Well, there's lots of different times that I might want to wear this, for just going out with friends, to working out at the gym. I might want this more actively colorful color, a little bit more energy. And I could wear this to work if I worked in an environment where I didn't need to be quite so formal and official. I could wear this beautiful color. Now, I'm going to show you one more color on my palette, and this would be for me a high shade. It's a dramatic color on me, and this really, really brings me forward, this color. And as you can see, when I put this color on, you really now see my energy. It just comes much more forward. So when we wear our colors, we have to not only think about, do they look great on me? Because they all do, if you've had a good color analysis done. But it's what effect am I wanting to create with the colors or with the color combinations? Now take a look. If I take this actively colorful color and I now add this one back in, and now I've got two colors, right? And that's just a whole other look as well. And so when you are combining colors, every combination is going to create a different effect. Also, the fabrics that you use and the styles that you choose are going to create those different effects. So if we wear my skin tone with this green color, that creates, again, a different effect. And so what I want to encourage you to do with your colors is to play around with them, to start taking a look at, what effect does this color have on me? And, is that the right pairing of the garment and the color to create that effect? So, for example, this neutral jacket would have a very different feel if it was a sweater or a workout gear. I probably would not choose this color, even though it's my color, if I was going to wear exercise outfit. Why? Because it's neutral and it's kind of blah, if I wanted to have that energy for working out. So these are the kinds of things that we talk about in my course, Exploring Your Seasonal Color Palette. And I don't have to have done your palette for you to benefit from this course. If you have had any kind of a good color palette done, then you're going to find the course really helpful, because we just go through each of the colors that would be in your palette, and we talk about how they would have been chosen for you, how they will work for you, how you wear them, how you pair them, how you shop for them, how you figure out what to buy in them. So if you've had a color analysis done and you've invested in it, but you still kind of are a little bit stuck and you feel like, oh, I don't know, it's kind of boring just having this limited color palette, or I'm not sure how to wear my colors, then this course is for you. So you can click on the link below and it will take you to the Color and Style Academy to learn more about how to wear and how to pair your colors. Exploring Your Seasonal Color Palette. I hope to see you there.